How to find base codes. Okay, what if I told you there's a free tool that you can use to find unlimited number of quotes, whether you are looking for inspiration, motivation, love, sad, or life, any topic. So grab a pen and paper or a notepad, and I'm going to review this tool right away. Just wait, because it's about to you about to uncover powerful like free tool that you can find never-ending supply of quotes for your social media, for anything. Let's get started. I'll leave the link in the description. It's called Goodreads. They have Goodreads. They have a page just for the quotes. So once you're in that Goodreads page, you will find yourself in a sea of quotes. So it's time to set up a search. To do that, follow these steps. First, you have to define the search criteria. Like, are you looking for quotes about a specific subject or form of a particular author, or knowing what you are after will narrow down your results and make your search more efficient. Just like here, see, like I put knowledge, or you can just click these links and love quotes. So like that, then you have so many quotes, and you can, there's numbers at the bottom, see, 100. You can go never ending supply. So you can utilize the search bound that I just show you. Just use relevant keywords or any phrase that you need to find. Like uh, other way you can do is like put a filter, and then you can, that's just like I show you, like this filter. These are the filters that you can set up. Like every great quote has a potential to inspire and change within us. It's just not about not reading the words, but taking action, embodying the wisdom they like start. So ask yourself, how can I apply these quotes to my life? How can I embrace knowledge and use it to grow? So I hope you got some value on this tool. Just use that tool. Like, there's so many like humor quotes and wisdom. I'll leave the this link, direct link in the description. So grab it and bookmark it. I use every day, and really good tool to find those like the quotes. So subscribe and give it a like, and if you want, turn on the notification. I love that. So I hope you guys come back and watch it. Thank you.